Hello, everyone. Bishop Stewart here with the Entrepreneur Success Academy. And I wanted to shoot a quick video for you. I've been getting a lot of messages from clients and students of mine, and also just, different associates and contacts on social media that have been asking me, do you know a method of posting to multiple Facebook groups at the same time, simultaneously, without buying software and so forth? So what I decided to do was shoot this quick video showing you kind of a ninja cool technique on doing this and accomplishing being able to post on Facebook groups. We all know that Facebook groups are a very powerful method for generating leads, networking with other like-minded people in your industry, making sales, getting team members, etc. You name it. Facebook groups is definitely one of the ways to go. So you want to kind of steer clear of some of the software out there because a lot of the software that have been developed for doing different kind of underground methods have been shut down by Facebook, and people's accounts have been banned, etc., because they break Facebook's terms and agreements. So this strategy I'm going to show you is very simple. It doesn't break any terms and agreements, and it's a really, really cool strategy. So number one is with Facebook groups. Let me go ahead and bring up a Facebook group really quick. Let me go to my Facebook. Okay, let's go to this group here. Okay, so let me just open up several groups really quick simultaneously so you can see how this works. So that way I can post in multiple groups and not just one. So let's go to this one as well. Go to Facebook again. So we'll go ahead and post in 3 groups simultaneously without using any software or anything like that. And let me go to this one. Okay, so one of the things with Facebook that you're going to notice is that you used to be able to click on members or about us, and or in the description, you would actually be able to get the actual email address for that group, for each individual group, right? But as you know, Facebook is constantly evolving. It seems like every other month they're having major changes to their platform. So they're always changing their platform, but you're still able to do this method. So what you want to do is at the very top, there's a URL that is unique to that Facebook group. Okay, so you can see this one is facebook.com/groups I2G Diamond Dream Team, right? So that's the name of the group. So we're going to copy this URL. Okay, and I have a little page here written up already. So we're going to go ahead and paste that URL there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do that with the other ones. Let's go ahead and copy this URL for this group here. And you'll notice that this one has numbers at the end. Some groups are going to have names. Some are going to have numbers. Okay, so it doesn't matter. You can do this with either one. So we're going to go ahead and paste that one there. Let's take out the slash at the end. And let's go ahead and do this last one here. Okay. If you get something that it says reference blah 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 after the number or name, just go ahead and click on the number of the name of the group and refresh the page, and it'll take that out. Okay. So that's what I just had to do on that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and post in that one too. And why don't we just go ahead and do one more so you can see that you can do this with multiple groups. Okay, so let's just click on, actually, that's the wrong page here. Let me go to one more. So this is a really, really cool method. We use it all the time. It saves us a lot of time and energy doing this method. And so let me go ahead and get one more group. Okay, let's go ahead and get this one. Okay. And you don't have to be an admin or anything of the group or have created the group, but that's irrelevant. Okay, so we have 4 different groups now. So one of the things is that Facebook, for all of their groups, have the same email address. It's always at groups.facebook.com. At groups groups.facebook.com. So what we want to do now is copy the name of the group or the number of that group. So anything that's after groups / you're going to copy that. So we're going to put that right here. We're going to paste that. And then you're going to, at the end of that, put in the email address, right? So it's I2G Diamond Dream Team at groupsfacebook.com. Okay, make sure there's no spaces in there whatsoever. Okay, so then we're going to take this one. We're going to do the same thing. Even though it's a number, it still works. So one of the things that you can do to make this quick, as you can see, it's not doesn't take that long, but I would go through and get all of the groups URLs, and on a sheet of paper, on a Word document, just like this document, I would just put them all down. Just spend 15, 20, 30 minutes and put them all down. So that way, when you're doing this every day, you already have it in. And you can also create a distribution list in your email account and your email provider account, so that way you can just click on it and have it there. Okay. Now with Facebook, now you want to do this with the email address that you use to log into Facebook and set up with Facebook. The cool thing is that Facebook allows you to have 2 different email addresses with your account. So you have one that you log in with, and then another one as a backup that you can connect to your account. Be careful, because you want to know the limits of your email provider. For instance, Gmail allows 50 email addresses per email. So if you're going to send out to, say, 100 groups, you're going to want to do it in 2 separate emails, 50 for one email and the other 50 for the second email. And their daily limit is 500 emails per day. Okay, so you kind of want to know those kind of stats before you start doing this. Okay, so now all we're going to do is simply copy this. Okay, so I'm going to go to my, so I'm going to go here and click Compose. Okay, so we're going to paste that in here. Excuse me. I'm going to copy this one. Put that in here. So you're just creating basically an email, right? So we're going to put that in here as well. Okay, let's do this last one here. And now we have 4 emails in there. Now, you're going to write up your message or your ad or whatever it is that you're going to do. I already pre-wrote something here. I've already pre-written something here. Have an amazing and productive day, everyone. You are all absolutely powerful and have so much value to provide the world. So let your light shine brightly. So I'm going to copy this, okay? And then you want to have a URL. And for your URL, you can send them to another one of your Facebook pages. Like if you have a fan page or a business Facebook page, you can put that URL in there, or you can send them to a capture page, an affiliate link. You can send them to your your website off of Facebook. Whatever link you want to put in there, you can put in there. But do not copy that yet, okay? All you want to copy is the content, okay? So we're going to take that content. We are not going to put it in the body of the email. The content is going to go in the subject line. This is very important, okay? So you're going to type your text message in the subject line, okay? So do not put it in the body. Now, for the body, that's where we're going to put our link, okay? So here I'm having them go to my website. Okay, so I'm going to have that. I'm going to bold it. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Now, if you have a auto signature and a bunch of stuff here that's not relevant, go ahead and delete it. If it's relevant and something simple, then go ahead and keep that. But if it's a lot of junk and different things there, you don't want to put that there. Okay. So then we have this just like this. And then now we simply click send. So if I already had this in my distribution list, I can just put the distribution list name up here. Like you can put first 50 groups. And then when you click that and put it in here, it's automatically going to fill in all of the email addresses for those 50 groups. Okay, so literally, if you want to send out to 100 groups in one day, all you have to do is send out 2 emails. Okay, so I'm going to simply click send. Bam, and that is sent. So now let's go check. Okay, so we're going to go to the Periscope Academy. And there it is. And the link is clickable. Have an amazing day, everyone. You are all absolutely powerful and have so much value to bring to the world. Let your light shine brightly. Okay, how cool is that? So that's one that's already posted. I'll go ahead and delete that because that's not the actual post I want to do today. Then let's go to this one. There it is again. You see what I mean? And the links do work. Okay, so this will take people then to my website. Okay, so I'm showing you that this absolutely works. Okay, so that's how you do this, you guys. I mean, it's very, very simple. It's a cool strategy that you can use anytime, any time of the day. Here it is again. So that quickly, we were able to post in 4 different groups. Now, if I wasn't recording a video, it would have been done very quickly because I already have my groups written up, like I said, on a Word document. I already have all the email addresses on a Word document and on a distribution list with my email provider. Okay, so that's how you post to multiple groups. Hope this video was valuable to you. If it was, click subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. If you have some more questions about any kind of internet strategy or social media or anything, I don't care what it is, list building, info products, let me know how I can help you and be of assistance, and we'll be glad to answer your questions. So leave a comment below if you got some value from this video. Again, this is Bishop Stewart with the Entrepreneur Success Academy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a rocking day, everyone. Talk to you soon. Take care.